Minasan, konnichiwa, J-Steve desu. Today, let's see the GP Race Buckle Series 1, 2, and 3. GP Race Buckle 1, released in September, and each price is 500 yen. And this set includes Hammer Race Buckle, Water Race Buckle, Two-Side Race Buckle, Demon's Driver Race Buckle, the shiny version Demon's Driver Race Buckle, GP Race Buckle 2, released in October, and each price is 500 yen. And this set includes Change Array Race Buckle, Claw Race Buckle, Seiken Sword Driver Race Buckle, Risato Driver Race Buckle, Ziku Driver Race Buckle, and shiny version Ziku Driver Race Buckle. GP Race Buckle 3, released in November, and each price is 500 yen. And this includes Drill Race Buckle, Hibiki Belt Race Buckle, Blade Buckle Race Buckle, Altering Agito Belt Race Buckle, Gaim Sengoku Driver Race Buckle, and shiny version Gaim Sengoku Driver Race Buckle. Besides that, there are 3 special forms we can see here: Kamen Rider Geats Demon's Form, Kamen Rider Geats GO Form, Kamen Rider Geats Gaim Form. So which form do you guys prefer? Leave the comments below. Okay, that's all for the Geats info today. So what do you guys think? Leave the comments below as well. Alright, so today, hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for being there for subscribing to the channel, and see you next time. じゃあ、またね。
Got tracks and some music that you never guess. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got hard, I'm ready to change.